Hello, my name is Audriella. Welcome to my channel. There's lots of things I like you guys. Today we're going to be opening some Tsum Tsum, 2 Tsum Tsum toys, and 1 Shopkins Seasons 1. So, let's get started. First I'll show you my fidget spinners for a minute. I have a lot of them right now, but okay, let me show you. Here's my first one. I know, it's kind of cool, but let's put it over there for now. So I don't. And this is my blue one. I know, you can't do it. But as you see, it's kind of a little bit broken, see? But it's okay, I can put it back in. I have another one. One more, okay? There's one more fidget spinner, that's it. So I have. And this one. Okay. And now, let's get to the toys. So, let's go to our first one. This is our first one. I hope it's something different because I felt it and I thought it was the same one. What is this one? Oh! Moana? I wasn't expecting Moana. Okay, let's see what we have on our guide in this. We have a lot of these. See, so I could have got one of these sets, but I didn't have enough dollars to get them. But it's okay. We got Tsum Tsum, that's enough. Okay, let's see what our toy is in real action. Really, in real action.
If you need the scissors, they're right there.
Oh.
Be careful though.
Okay.
Always be careful with scissors.
I know. I always open them with right-handed. I'm not left-handed, you know. Okay. I need it straight, not crumbled.
You want to open the other one and I can open that one?
Yeah, you can open it.
Okay.
I kind of want them to see how it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, let's get the next one. I hope it's not the same thing, you guys. If it is, have a thumbs below. But if it isn't, have a thumbs up. Oh no, it's Maui!
That's perfect.
Maui and Moana. It's probably the same thing, so I'm not reading it. No, I'm not doing it. Now, he has a big hook. I don't know what. Let's see what he looks like in real action, so we know how he goes. Let's get Moana so we know how she looks like, so we can set her up. Moana. Got my Moana. Okay, but I don't know how she looks, but I guess Maui, we have Maui on here, so I think I can open it. Okay, I don't know. Mom, give me.
Okay, throw me the other ones.
This is hard to figure out, really. I don't know how to do this. Oh, wait. I think I know. I think this is a louder or something. Oh, yeah, it's to climb on board, so we don't really need it right now, I think. Oh, no, it's to hold her, I think. No, I don't know. What is this for? I think it's her lather.
Boat.
Her lather, but wait a minute. I think this is her boat. This is her boat, but I don't know what this thing is. Is it some kind of thing? Well, let's leave that in by itself right now. Let's leave it to this. See the boat? Where's she? There she is. Maui. He's cute. But Maui, these guys are cute. She's cute. She's cute. I like her. She's kind of cute. Well, what? This keeps falling apart.
Okay, let's see the other one too.
Okay. I guess we can just move on to this, and here Moana is. Third fence. Ow!
Show her to the camera.
And, okay, let's show Moana to the camera. Here she
Hold her still for a second.
And then
Just still. Let's see.
See, she's right here.
Hold on, I need it to focus. Oh, good. That's good.
And then she has her little tutu stuff. And here is Maui. He is cute too as well. He's a little demigod. Here's his sword. It's too big.
His hook.
His hook, whatever. It's the same thing.
Okay. Wow, that's so cute.
That's how he goes. He goes inside his hook.
Silly.
I know. It could have been littler, but let's move on to other things. Let's put we got the Shopkins. We love Shopkins, right? Yeah. So you guys, if you're a grown-up, kids love Shopkins and those things I was showing you right now. But let's see how to open this. Wait, is there tape? Oh, shoot. There's tape. I can't. Oh, wait, I can just rip it. I want to keep the box. It's okay, but I can just rip this thing. Okay. I got the... Wait, there's a drawer? I forgot. There's drawers. Our collector list. You guys want to see let's see the collector list first. Let's see which ones we got. I'll just look at them for a while so you guys can tell me what did you like on this thing. But Peggy, Shopkins are kind of easy to show you, but the Shopkins. The Shoppy dolls, all that. Come on. How easy is this? This is the... Wait. Oh, this is the bathroom stuff. Some of it is kitchen stuff. See? Wait, let me... Oh, I think it's upside down, I think.
Oh, I see it.
See? So we see it, but... Onto the other side. Let me see what's here. Ooh, that's a good side, but I think we got all of it wrong. See? Got all of it wrong. But move on. Where's Shopkins? Where's the box? Oh, there they are. And I love Hello Kitty, so I got this chair. I know I've been sitting on it for a while, so you have... Oh, there's always a little Shopkin. I knew it.
A little Shopkin?
Yeah, there's always a little Shopkin on it. They said it on cookies, so I'll see. There's always one. Okay, come on, let's open it. Oh, wait, this is easy. Except for I want to cut it really.
Be careful.
Okay. Kids at home, if you cut your finger and you had an accident doing it, it's okay. Your mother can wrap a bandage on it.
Or you could just have parental help.
Yeah, whatever.
Let me see it. I'll help you real quick. Let me just open it.
Wait. Oh, it's okay.
Think you got it?
I think I do. Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
I just did the whole thing, I think. What is this? There's supposed to be a camera. What is this, Mom?
Maybe it's part of it. Does it have a face?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. It's like what I have.
Except for yours broke, right?
Yeah, mine just broke. We have to take it back.
Yeah, as soon as I finish my video, man. Maybe tomorrow we can get it. Yeah, tomorrow's a new day.
What one? Let's see.
What the heck is this?
I don't even know. It's cute.
It's from the bathroom area. It's... What is it?
Let me see.
It's from the bathroom area. It's from the bathroom area. I don't know what it is.
Try to focus in.
I'm sorry. I don't know what the heck that was. So let's keep opening. What's this little thing gonna be? I don't know what it is, but it's big. That's... No,
You know what it looks like? It looks like a little, I'm not sure.
Oh, it's from the telescope area.
Oh, it's a telescope. Okay. This must be a planet then. A friendly little planet system.
Oh, to look at?
Yeah, here. Grab it.
See, this is like a little planet over here.
Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, let's throw the trash away.
Good thing. We're gonna recycle it.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're not.
Keep your collector things. Okay, so go ahead and tell them goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm gonna throw this trash away and we can see them in action. Then I will say goodbye to you, okay?
Goodbye.